books like this are necessary, not only to put the record straight, not only to give the opportunity of those persecuted to vent and put things in perspective, but also to encourage a culture of memoir writing in public service. We don't write enough in this country. We don't pass enough of our experiences, both good and bad, to the next generation. So I want to congratulate you for your second effort. I'm working on my own second effort as well. About 12 years ago in this hall, I presented the accidental public servant, which was a record of my experience in public service at the time, which showed how friends abandon you, betray you, how those that you've been good to turn around against you. And everyone told me I made a mistake, that I will never go near public service again. Because in Nigeria, when you are in government, you eat, you keep quiet, and you come back and you remain silent. I don't think I had anything to hide in my public service here. I still don't. And I know AG, that's what I call him, Pedro Advocate, has nothing to hide. So you can write a book like that and hold your head high, because you know you did nothing wrong while holding public office. I appeal to those in power today to remember that their turn will come. Our turn always comes, but it goes. I want to congratulate my brother for this. I'm looking forward to reading the book because I really want to understand the role of various actors in this. Because I've had discussions on OPL 245 several times with President Buhari. I had a special relationship with him. I had access to him, everyone knows. And everyone also knows that Mohammed Bello was one of those that stood and persuaded President Jonathan to actually concede the 2015 election. So, we should actually thank him as the APC government of 2015, not persecuting him. So I want to understand, because I've had discussions when this was going on several times with President Buhari, and I did not have the impression that he had any interest in the matter other than allowing due process to proceed. So I want to understand, I want to read it, and I want to learn as well. But my brother, congratulations for an excellent job, and I urge all of us in public service, particularly some of the more experienced people here, Governor Muazu, Senator Kwankwaso, we are waiting for your books. No, seriously, because not only those of us that are slightly younger than you and less experienced would learn, but also the next generation will also learn a lot.